Hello everyone, let us see the following question. Slater's rule are a simple way to estimate the effective nuclear charge experienced by an electron. In this approach, shielding constant S is calculated. The effective nuclear charge is then difference between S and the atomic number Z. So, it is been calculated the effective nuclear charge in Slater's rule as Z star, which is nothing but atomic number minus the S, that is the shielding constant. So, here the various notations are given. This is effective nuclear charge. This is atomic number, and this is shielding constant.